for you guys. We're going to talk about arpeggiating the black chord because it's a technique I love, because you can really, when you're working on a chord melody especially, you can really take aim at a specific string, which is what I'm doing right here. I'm taking aim on that A string. I'm kind of accenting, and I can do it because I'm using this technique. So it starts off with the block chord, where we're playing all 4 notes at the same time. The arpeggio looks like this. And this can be a challenging concept. It's like, why is this not a finger-picking strum? Because it does look like a finger-picking strum. If you're going to look at our fingers like this, the movement is like you're drumming your fingers, like so, you know? But you're starting with your thumb. We're going to the ring finger. Baby finger's not working. So it's like this. Now, when we're finger picking, this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4. We would maybe finger pick on each beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's this arpeggiation. What's the difference? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, when we arpeggiate this block chord, we're doing it all on one beat. So whereas this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Start off on a surface, a table, and do this. Do you see what I'm doing? Can you feel? Can you hear that? And then bring it in. Let's just do the G and the C string. Like that. You see, I have my other fingers tucked under their respective strings. Now let's try the G, C, and E strings. Now let's add the A string. And I'm not doing anything with my left hand. Now, just to compare and contrast how this is not like bump, 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 bump. Let's put the two together. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a finger picking technique here. Now we're going to do that arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just do it once, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see how different they are? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's add another technique here to this. Let's imagine we're doing a chord melody or something, and we want to emphasize a note, the A string. So let's arpeggiate the downbeat, 1, and then for the other 3 beats in the measure, just pluck the A string. And I would pluck with my ring finger because it's right there. So it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a technique I use a lot with chord melody. I will arpeggiate that downbeat, and then the rest of the measure I'm doing single notes. This is really worth taking some time and getting it under your fingers. This technique will serve you really, really well, especially with chord melodies and improvising as well.